Welcome to this mini course on becoming a better reader. Inside, I want to share with you 5 specific things you can do to read twice as many books this year. You see, I remember in one of my first college classes, I had to memorize something like 300 pages of PowerPoint notes, and I couldn't help but wonder, when would I ever use this information? And that's when I realized that if I wanted to learn the things that would give me the things that I wanted in life, and more importantly, to learn the things that would help me make an impact on the world, I would have to teach myself. So a few years later, when I took over a failing restaurant, I had no help, no mentors, no boss. Any question I had, I turned to books. I wanted to learn about email marketing and driving sales. I read some books and got really good at that. I wanted to learn about hiring, so I read some books and came up with a system to do that. And then even beyond work, I wanted to learn about health. I wanted to learn about relationships. I wanted to learn about what life is really all about. And in the process, I had all these breakthroughs about reading and how I should be reading and how I could take what I was reading to apply to my life. And I was reading about a book a day, and more importantly, using what I was learning to get tangible results. And that's why I created this course, and that's why I created my Insider School community. I was so upset that we're not taught the right things in school and never taught how to read the right way. So I'm so excited for you to go through this course. I really hope you get a lot out of it. So with that, let's get started.